Hello everyone, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. My channel is a place where I talk about diamond paintings quite a bit. I show unboxings of diamond paintings, progress working on them, reviews of finished diamond paintings, a lot of diamond painting things. I also dabble in yarn and crochet. I show yarns I acquire, work on crochet projects, and I do a live on Fridays. I also do some book items. I get some books from time to time, do a few book hauls, and I do a book discussion on Tuesday nights with my friend Brandy, Mystery of Diamonds. Excuse me, if any of those things are interesting to you, I hope you stick around and watch more videos. And if you are returning, thank you for returning. Welcome back. I appreciate you so much. Today's video is a diamond painting video, as you can tell, and this is brought to us by DPCLUBS. First of all, thank you, DPCLUBS, for letting me pick out a few things to show you. I got some beauties here to get to. I can hardly wait to show them to you. All of these items will be linked below so you can find them easily if you are interested in them. So let's get right to it and show you what we have. So let's start out with this beauty right here. There were several of these, like these seaside, seashell bottles, flowers, all of them very pretty. This is the one that I picked out. Make sure you pick out the one that you want. They may be in multi-listings where they're all in one listing, and you got to make sure you get the right one. There are 12 gems in this one, and it looks like there's quite a few special drills as well. I see some special drills in these flowers, some special drills over here on these leaves, and all of this in the background does not get drills. So all of this water, the boat, the sky, no drills. So that's why we call it a partial, but it's super pretty. 12 different drills for that one. This is what their toolkit looks like. It comes with each one of the paintings. So you'll have enough tools for sure. Okay, drill time. What do we have? Oh, there's some pretty stuff in here. All right, first of all, we have these like goldish amber rhinestones, beautiful teal, a very light blue, a light green, brownish orange, more of a gold there, some clear, and some pink. Those are our rhinestones. Now we have these beautiful iridescent gold marquise. Look, they're picking up the different colors of pinks and purples. We have pink iridescent marquise. Those are beautiful. We have these cute little purple marquise. They're cute. And we have these. Look at the green on those things. Wow, that is bright. That's very pretty. So I liked this one a lot. Like I said, there were several with this ocean theme with shells and bottles and flowers and such. All of them were really pretty. Okay, next. What do we have next? First of all, I got to get the correct drills for this. My packages have been mixed up. Okay, those go with that. These go with this one, and those go with that one. Okay, there, we got it. Okay, look at this guy. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. I think that is one of the fanciest chickens ever, right? The only thing that could make this painting any better would be if it had like a printed background, some sky or whatever. But it's just got a white background. But look at the special drills in this thing. There's some here, here, some here. These flowers, there's a lot of special drills. There are 13 different colors in this one. And look at the colors. They're so pretty. I see pinks and teals and purples. It's going to be gorgeous. Just gorgeous, right? Yeah, look at them claws. No joke. I tell you what, them chickens, they got some claws. We're not messing around. That's a 30 by 30 size. And let's see what the drills look like. All right, here we go. We have, oh, those are so pretty. Bright pink, love it. Some clear, we have a light pink, a gold, yellowy gold, red, very pretty purple. Oh, look at that blue. That blue is stunning. And a couple of greens. Those are lovely. Those are our rhinestones. I told you they got beautiful colors, right? Pinks, purples, blues. Oh, beautiful. Then we have some yellow pearls. We have some, oh, these are like the clear, they're yellow teardrops. Teardrops. What shape is that? Teardrop. We have pink ones like that as well. Those are cool. And then we have some blue pearls. So our specials are the 2 pearls and the 2 teardrops. I love it. Super pretty, right? What is not to love about these? I hope you're ready for smashing the specials because it is coming. I've been saying it now for quite a while. In most of my unboxing videos, smashing the specials in August. Look at this one. Could not resist this bird. It's so beautiful. This one has a printed background, so all of the background is printed, but look at the special drills on this thing. Look at those 9s and 7s and 8s and 6s. A lot of special drills. That cardinal is gorgeous with those flowers, those purple flowers, the red cardinal on this dark background. It's gorgeous. There are 9 different drills for this. So let's see what they are. What are those 9 drills? All right, here we go. A pretty pink. Love that. A beautiful pink. A pale yellow. A bright green. A beautiful red, of course. We have a red cardinal. Why wouldn't we have red? Look at those. The shards. Gold shards. Gorgeous. Oh, I bet they're going to go in here. Those 5s are the shards. Beautiful. We have some red faceted marquees. We have some purple faceted teardrops. Oh, those are gorgeous. Those are iridescent pink faceted teardrops. Those are beautiful. And of course, a selection of gold balls. I just call them gold balls. They're not balls. They're flat, but you know, I call them balls. Okay. And then we have a couple of 40 by 40s. Okay. I'm going to save that one for a minute. Let's do this one next because this one was an oopsie. This was not what I meant to order. Okay. Because of the nature of so many being in one listing, you have to go and put in this special number. It might not be that number, but it does have an item number you have to put in for the specific one that you're wanting. And this was not the one that I really wanted. I have since ordered that one, but this one was really pretty though. When it came, I was like, that's not what I ordered, but it's really pretty. It's the flag with all of these flowers, and it's really nice. Most of these 40 by 40s that are coming, I have noticed, have this like print along the edge, which makes me believe that the same factory is making all of these 40 by 40 special drills. Just my belief, but that's my belief. Anyhow, lots of special drills on this one. There are 11 different drills. I can hardly wait to see what some of those specials are. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 special drills. So let's check them out. Oh, the kitties, the kitties, the kitties. They're over there causing all kinds of trouble. Oh, goodness. So we have gold rhinestones, green, 2 bags of red, a pink, a clear, a pretty blue, and here's the specials. The clear, round red. Look at those. Those are big, big blue faceted marquees. Oh, look at that. The stars are going to be stars. That is cool. And we have these iridescent clear faceted marquees and smooth red marquee. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Wow, that's a lot of stars. We got star action here, folks. We got star action. So pretty. Anyhow, like I said, it wasn't the one that I'd wanted, but it's very beautiful. I like it. Okay. And the last item for you today is a great big old dragonfly, and it is so pretty. Look at all the pinks and purples and the blue. Now, a lot of this is printed. This background is printed with drills laid over top to outline like leaves and petals and things like that. But it's gorgeous. This one has 8 different types of drills. And again, it has that same print on the edges. So again, like I'm saying, I think they're coming from the same factory, these larger 40 by 40s. Okay, I'm going to have to get after them because they're messing up my blanket over there, my Afghan. I got to go get them. Oh, goodness. Pink rhinestone, a yellowy gold, 2 bags of pink, this pretty teal. And here's the specials. Round, faceted, pink, faceted, Oh, there's 3 bags of those. Wow. 3 bags of those. Those are going to be all over this painting, that faceted teardrop. Love these. These are so pretty. My little snowflakes. They're iridescent. They're gorgeous. And some blue faceted marquee. Gorgeous, right? Absolutely gorgeous. So it's going to be hard for me to pick what I'm going to work on for Smashing the Specials. I have so very many, and I love so many of them. At some point, I need to go through all my special drills, and I need to just weed them out and give some away or sell some, because I've got so many. But it's going to be hard because I love them all. Every time I pick out something, it's because I love it, right? Oh, it's going to be tough. Anyhow, these will all be linked below. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and I hope you return to watch more videos in the future. Hit that like button, subscribe button, and all those things, and hang out with us for a while, okay? All right, I'll talk to everybody soon. I got to go rescue my Afghan from the kittens. They're terrorizing. I got to go. I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.